Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh Kushwaha and today I'm going to talk about prerequisite of Drupal, and maybe it's also going based on PHP 8. In this series I'm mostly going to talk about PHP 8 new features and prerequisite if any thing you need to learn before jumping to Drupal 11. So in Drupal 11, there is one feature that has been recently included. This is new to Drupal, but not for other frameworks. But in Drupal 11.1.0, you can see there is a implementation of hook implementation using auto wired services. Okay, so what does it mean? Earlier we were writing our hooks as a global function in our dot module file, but now we can change those implementation into a class, and then we can add attributes like method attributes to tell the Drupal that this class function, this class method is implementation of a hook. Okay, so if this is a new, let me introduce also this one, the hook. Now these are attributes. So something, if you are looking at first time, so these are called attributes, and attributes are similar to your doc comments, but this is now supported by PHP. And in hook sorry in attributes you can provide metadata about your function or property or a class. So this is a PHP 8 feature, and uh, when you provide this kind of metadata, then how you will read those metadata? Okay, so that metadata you can read using reflection API. So the focus of this series is reflection API and PHP 8 new feature, but also it's a prerequisite for Drupal 11. So what is actually reflection classes or reflection API? So PHP comes with a complete reflection API that adds the ability to introspect classes, interfaces, functions, methods and extensions. What does it mean? So like now you have opportunity to parse your class and understand everything what that class is providing, how many method that class has, how many parameter it is accepting, uh, how many properties are there, what are the visibility of those properties or methods. So that kind of information you can get without creating a object of that class. Then additionally, the reflection API offers ways to retrieve doc comments for function, classes and methods. So how you will read that attributes from a class, like if you have annotated that now the class function is a hook function, then how PHP will know what uh, you are passing from that attributes. Okay, so that kind of information you can extract using reflection API. And if we talk about the usage in Drupal 11, so that will be even block, entity, hook and plugin. So these are mainly entities. Definitely there will be more, but if you can also add these kind of attributes in your custom controller or any custom class, but these are from example from code. So let's understand the reflection in a example. So in this example I have created one class entities, which is class name is user, and user has one constructor function. And here I am using PHP 8 constructor promoted property feature. So now I don't need to create here explicit variable first. I have created uh, in parameter itself. So private, this is the visibility of this property, string type property, and I want to understand what kind of properties or function this class provides. So here I am going to create one reflection class. object of a reflection class, and here I will provide the name of my class. So user, my class is user, and it lives in Bhimu PHP 84 entities user namespace, and it accept one string. So I provide the fully qualified namespace namespace of my class. And if I dump this output, so we will see what exactly we are getting from this reflection class. So let's run this file. So you can see now we have lot almost everything from that class. So you can see it's a name is user class. It's a fully qualified namespace. If I am using any interface for to implement in that class, that information we will get here. Constants and properties, you can see property. I have two properties there, username and password. So this is the name of that property and the class, from which class it belongs to, and what is the modifier. It's a private property. So that kind of information it is providing here. Then also we can get the methods, how many methods are there in that class. So you can see right now I have only one method, which is constructor function itself, and it is accepting two parameters, username and password. And you can see also the type hint, the position of those parameters. So everything you are writing in a class, that information you can get from a reflection class. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and share these video with your colleagues and friends so that they can also take benefit from this series.